Another really useful phrase is I don't know. When I was little, I used to use I don't know in Spanish all the time. I would say, yo no sé, yo no sé, yo no sé. And I would constantly say that. So people would actually make fun because I would say it so much. In our case, it's okay to say it because when you are in a new country and you don't know something, it's better to say you don't know. So let's learn it. I don't know in Korean is 몰라요. 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 I don't know. So if you're ever in a situation where someone is asking you something and you don't understand, you don't know what they're talking to you about, just say 몰라요. Just like that. 몰라요. There's actually a song where they go 몰라 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 몰라요. I can link that in the comments, but just know this is the word I don't know.